I'm on vacation. It's 8:15. If you think I'm getting a late start. Oh, I was gonna get you because you were still sleeping on the couch. You ruined my video, Ted. You ready for a walk, buddy? All right, you getting all your marking done right here? Ooh. Yes. That's pretty icy. Now Ted and I are going to the post office today after we do our morning. Yes. May I help you? So Ted and I are going for our morning walk, and then we got to go to the post office because the lift kit for my truck is in. And it's funny because... What, are you gonna bark at Hazel? She's running back home. Anyways, I got this email notification from U.S. Postal saying, come on, Ted, let's go. That it was out for delivery as of 9 o'clock last night. Now, we don't have nighttime deliveries here in rural land. So, yeah, I kind of laughed for about 15 minutes. Then I showed my wife, and then she laughed for a while. And yeah, I think even Ted laughed at some point. So I'll be going down to the mailbox. Hopefully there's a little shipping receipt thing in there. And I'll be able to go and pick up my lift kit. Because guaranteed that won't be in the box. Right, Ted? Keep going, man. What are you doing? She went back home. Don't you worry about her. She's not walking with us. All right, we are back from our walk. That just fell in the driveway. That's how you can tell it's slippery. There's a candy coating of ice everywhere here. Alrighty. Gotta start the bus there, buddy. Ooh. I don't think I'm going to be able to use these boots to drive this thing. Probably could. That puppy warm up for a little bit. Losers. Alright, I'm going to need this to take Ted into town. A lot of arms. Oh, you see this, don't you? He knows he's going for a ride. Huh. Hope I'm going to be able to shift. I know. Alright. Hold on. Come on, you know how this works. Stop jumping. No need for that. Oops.
Hey, buddy, you going for a ride? Huh?
Yes, he is. All right, what are you driving? I gotta get out there first. All right, buddy, let's go. Let's go. Is he waving goodbye to Mom? All right, I'm locking your door, buddy. All right. And we're off. Bye, Mom. Right there, buddy Rowe. We're almost at the mailbox. It is a bit slippery. Isn't this convenient? Well, it would be. Huh. I'll be darned. Alright. Post office. I take back everything I said of you. Looks like it actually is here. And some regular mail. Yeah, we can probably eat those. Alright. So now I need to park and get out, buddy. Ooh, doggers. Our garbage guy told us it was pretty slippery on all the secondaries. He was right. Perfect. There it is. Yep, that's fairly heavy. I'm gonna need both hands. Well, dude, at least you didn't have to go all the way in town. I'm gonna put this in the extra cab. There we go. Yeah? Alright, so the four-wheel drive shifter's down, but my axle light lock is still on, so that means I can shift into four-wheel drive if I need to. So I'm gonna go into first gear and see if she'll move on the... And the tires are officially spinning. I'm moving nowhere. Alright. Yep. Alright, so now if I get cruising here, now I should be able to shift out. So now I'm back in two-wheel drive again. Well, you can hear those tires spin, can't you, Ted? They're spinning, but it's not going as wild as like my sports car would go if you let that thing loose on its own. It's actually pretty good, pretty controllable. What do you think, buddy? I know, this is a short ride, wasn't it? Want to flare it a little bit? Yeah, that drives your mom nuts too. Yeah, it's a little close. I could use the smaller shift knob, that's for sure. I'm trying to acquire one of those as we speak. Well, Ted, I'm sure that was a disappointingly short ride for you, but maybe next time.